Hello, it's Thursday, July the 7th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The dollar strengthened against other major currencies as Europe's sovereign debt crisis and China's decision to increase interest rates spurred demand for a refuge. Wall Street closed positive as Nasdaq advanced by 0.29% and the Dow Jones by 0.45%. Crude oil weakened by 0.2% to close at $96.71 a barrel, and gold increased by 1.1% to close at $1,529.10 an ounce. Today, ADP non-farm employment change is expected to rise from 38,000 to 60,000, and unemployment claims is expected at 420,000 versus last week's figure of 428,000. The euro fell against the dollar for a third day after Portugal became the second nation in the currency region after Greece to receive a junk credit rating from Moody's Investor Service. The euro-dollar's momentum is still bearish as long as the euro is trading below 144. Next support on the 1-hour chart is at 142.80, with the moving average indicators supporting a negative momentum. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 142.86 and a high of 144.66. Today, the interest rate decision is expected to increase from 125% to 150%. The pound extended losses against the dollar after a surprise Chinese rate hike, while renewed concerns over the Eurozone's sovereign debt crisis also weighed. As long as the pound-dollar is trading below 160.40, the pound is on a negative trend and could decline to 159 or even less. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 159.47 and a high of 160.90. Today, the interest rate decision is expected to remain unchanged at 0.50%. The yen strengthened versus the dollar as the non-manufacturing index dropped to 53.3 last month from 54.6 in May. The dollar-yen still struggling at 81.20 levels. Only if the pair breaks below 80.30 will the yen attract investors again. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 80.77 and a high of 81.10. No economic data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This weakened versus the dollar, touching its lowest level in almost a week after the Chinese government increased interest rates to cool its economy, sapping demand for higher-yielding assets. Next resistance level on the 1-hour chart is at 0.97. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9614 and a high of 0.9694. Well, that's it for today. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank for simple, safe, secure trading.